Hi. I'm currently doing the garden, the home garden, trying to make it all nice again because it's been neglected for ages, and I'm trying to do it before my birthday because I've never had a nice garden like how I want it for a few years now for my birthday. And I want to have a nice trip to the garden centre with my partner and get some plants, but not too many because I haven't got much space. But there's one plant I want, which I'll put it up here if I remember it. Anyway, home garden makeover tidy up part 2. And here we are. We still have mess on the floor. A lot of mess on the floor. Let's see what we can do. We have all that grass. I've just planted this climbing clematis. It's either a white flower one or the pink flower one that really covers fences. I can't remember which one. And got this area looking all nice. That's my hammock. I've moved out so I can get to all the sides better. Got something grown back there. That's the compost bin, quite full. My lovely broom plant flowering lovely, all white over there. Over here, that's some foxgloves, so I sowed a few years ago. I actually might have some flowers this year from them. Yeah, it's a very slow process, this is. This plant, I forgot the name of it, but it was spider's web something. It's supposed to grow really big, but the other plant is taking over, so I'm going to have to move that. Back to this area, we have loads of lily of the valley that is taking over everywhere. The wood at the sides rotting, and that's mixed of lily of the valley, and I've got pineapple mint that I planted years ago because I thought it was clumping. Mint's not really clumping, it takes over, but to be fair, it was not very fast growing. So this lily of the valley, the clumps were massive and it just took over everything, and they're not even that good, to be honest. It's alright for a woodland, but I think I'm going to be forever digging this lily of the valley out. They are nice when they flower if you look close, but from a distance it just looks like weeds. And there we are after. Hey, first that. How nice is that? The one that was in there is a white one, which I've put on here so they can both be big. And I put a spare little one of them in there. It's the strawberries flowering. It's a little hairberry so the dog can't get to it. It's still a mess. All this is dug out now. And planted that. Just placing pots around where I might plant things. I'm not sure about that being there though. Got the wild garlic. Right. I'm thinking about planting these and that. That's the grass I dug up. I moved that because it wasn't doing well. It's all floppy now. It was back there. And I've moved the compost bin here, so you can't really see it. Because that's in the way, and then that's going to get bigger. So I think it's a better place for it. It's right next to a fern and there's strawberries in it. I've got to move all that now. So I'm thinking of planting this somewhere around here. Because it gets full sun. Kirsty. Cleared all the mess, kinda. That's going to go at the allotment when I move the pond. It's going to go by the pond because it grows quite big and I don't want it here. Moved all that as well. Are you having a look around, Casper? Oh, it is a mess. There's a worm. Oh, a lot of worms in it. Are you sniffing, Casper? Are you sniffing? Whoa. That's good. Take the top layer off. Look at all these. Oh, there's a slug in it. So that is there. All back and going. Put that there for now until I need to use it. Are you coming out? I've got that to move. I need help with it. This is what it all looks like now. Still got them to move. Can you move now, Kirsty?